Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Our GA4 series is going on. If you want to watch the whole series, you can come to our channel and watch those videos from here. Okay, so in today's lecture, we'll see how to install GA4 on WordPress using Google Tag Manager. So without further ado, let's get started. So we'll be using this website. I have created a GA4 account using this website and a Google Tag Manager account for this website as well. So first of all, we need to make a connection between our Google Tag Manager and our website. Okay. So to make the connection, I need to click on this button. Then you can see over here, they have given us some instruction that we need to put this code in the header portion and this code in the body portion. So let's do it. So as we know, this is a WordPress CMS. So to access the admin panel, I need to enter the website URL and then write /wp-admin. Okay. So I will take the help of a plugin called Insert Header Footer. So I would suggest you to install a plugin called Insert Header Footer, and from there you need to go to the code snippet option, and from there you need to click on header and footer. Okay, and I need to go to the tag manager again and copy this header code and paste it in the header section. Okay, and copy this body code from here and paste it in the body section. Okay, so I'll click on save changes. So GTM has been installed on our website properly. So for checking whether it has been installed or not, I need to take the help of an extension called Google Tag Assistant Legacy. So you can see over here. Okay, so I'll click on the refresh button. Okay. Then you can see over here, Google Tag Manager is available here. Okay. So our Google Tag Manager has been installed with our website properly. Now I need to create a Google Analytics 4 tag. Okay. So let's create a new tag. So I'll click on new and name it as GA4 base tag. Okay. GA4. You can name it as per your requirements, GA4 base tag. Then I will select Google Analytics 4 configuration and I need to put the measurement ID. So for accessing the measurement ID, I need to click on the admin section. And from there, I need to go to the data streams option. Okay, I will click on Medialytics e-commerce. Then I will get a measurement ID here. So I will copy it from here and paste it over here. Okay. So in the triggering section, I will make it all pages. Okay, I will click on save. So let's see whether it is working or not. So for checking it, I need to click on preview mode. So I'll click connect. Let's wait a little bit. You can see tag assistant connected. Okay, if I go to the tag section, then we'll see GA4 base tag is firing. That means GA4 has been installed on our website through Google Tag Manager, So yeah, that's it for this video. Hopefully you have clear understanding on how we can set up Google Analytics 4 using Google Tag Manager on our website. Hopefully you have liked our video. If you like our video, then you can subscribe our channel. Okay, you have a good day. Bye bye.